In the vast digital landscape, visibility is paramount. Whether you run a blog, an e-commerce store, a service-based business, or simply want to share information online, you need people to find you. This is where keyword research comes in. It's the foundational process of understanding the language your target audience uses when searching for information, products, or services online. Mastering keyword research allows you to connect with your audience effectively, drive relevant traffic, and achieve your online goals. Keyword research isn't just about finding popular terms, it's about strategic insight. Effective keyword research helps you understand your audience, discover the exact words and phrases your potential customers or readers use. Drive relevant traffic, attract visitors who are genuinely interested in what you offer. Inform content strategy, identify topics and questions your audience cares about, guiding content creation. Optimize for search engines or SEO. Improve your website's ranking and search results for relevant queries. Enhance paid advertising or PPC, target ads more effectively, improving click-through rates and return on investment. And analyze competition. Understand what keywords competitors are targeting and identify opportunities. Keywords aren't monolithic, they fall into several categories. Seed keywords are the broad foundational terms that describe your main topics, like, say, digital marketing, running shoes, or vegan recipes. These are the starting point for finding more specific keywords. User intent keywords reflect the purpose behind a search query. Informational keywords are for seeking information, for example, how to tie a tie, or what is SEO. Navigational keywords are used when looking for a specific website or brand, like Facebook login or Ahrefs blog. Transactional keywords indicate an intention to make a purchase, such as buy iPhone 14 or cheap flights to London. Then there are commercial investigation keywords, which are for comparing products or services before purchase, like SEMrush versus Ahrefs, or best laptops under $1,000. And finally, long-tail keywords. These are longer, more specific phrases, usually 3 or more words, that target niche audiences. Think of phrases like best lightweight hiking boots for wide feet, or gluten-free sourdough bread recipe. They often have lower search volume but, higher conversion rates and less competition. CPC stands for cost per click. In paid advertising platforms like Google Ads, this is the amount an advertiser pays each time someone clicks on their ad. Why is CPC important for keyword research even if you aren't running ads? Well, it indicates commercial intent. Higher CPCs often suggest that the keyword leads to valuable actions like purchases or lead generation, indicating strong commercial intent. It also gauges competition. High CPCs usually mean more advertisers are bidding on the keyword, indicating higher competition in both paid and organic search. And of course, budgeting insight. If you plan to run ads, CPC data is crucial for estimating costs. So Google actually provides a whole suite of powerful and often free tools that are super helpful for keyword research. First up, there's Google Keyword Planner. It's technically part of Google Ads and was designed for advertisers, but honestly, it's invaluable for finding new keyword ideas, checking search volume estimates, forecasting clicks, and even seeing CPC data. You do need a Google Ads account to access it, but the good news is, you don't have to run any active campaigns to use the tool. Next, we've got Google Search Console, which you might remember was formerly called Google Webmaster Tools. This tool helps you monitor your website's performance in Google Search. The performance report is especially useful. It shows you the actual search queries or keywords people use to find your site, along with impressions, clicks, click-through rate, and your average position in the results. It's real-world data that's specific to your own site, which is pretty awesome. Then there's Google Trends. This one lets you explore the popularity of search terms over time and across different regions. It's excellent for identifying trending topics, seasonality, and comparing keyword interest, which can really give you an edge. Now, while Google Research isn't a direct keyword tool, Google's research publications can offer valuable insights into broader search trends and user behavior, which can be super helpful for your overall strategy. Google Analytics is another must-have. It tracks website traffic and user behavior. If you look under the site search report in the behavior section, you can see what terms visitors are searching for on your own website. That can reveal content gaps or user interests you might not have thought of. And finally, Don't overlook Google Suggest, also known as autocomplete, and the related searches at the bottom of the results page. The suggestions Google provides as you type in the search bar, and those related searches, are based on what people are actually searching for. They can spark some great keyword ideas you might have missed otherwise. Alright, moving on, let's talk about some popular all-in-one SEO and keyword research platforms. These platforms offer comprehensive suites of tools covering various aspects of SEO, including really robust keyword research features. Many of them are paid, but honestly they offer immense value for the price. Ahrefs is a leading SEO tool known for its massive keyword database, excellent backlink analysis, competitor research, rank tracking, and site audit features. Plus, they offer a free Ahrefs Webmaster Tools option, which lets you verify and analyze your own websites by linking with Google Search Console. SEMrush is another giant in the industry. It offers a wide range of tools for keyword research, competitor analysis, PPC research, content marketing, social media tracking, and technical SEO audits. It's kind of an all-rounder. Moz is one of the pioneers in SEO software. They offer tools like Keyword Explorer, Link Explorer for backlink analysis, and site audits. Moz is also well known for the Mozbar Chrome extension, which a lot of people find super handy. Ubersuggest, developed by Neil Patel, provides keyword ideas, content suggestions, competitor analysis, and site audits. It runs on a freemium model, so you get limited free usage each day, which is great if you're just getting started. And there are several other suites out there that offer similar comprehensive features. Some of the notable ones include SEMscoop, SERPstat, SpyFu, Majestic, AccuRanker, SEO Scout, OnCrawl, Conductor, and SEO Zoom. So, yeah, there's definitely no shortage of options if you want an all-in-one platform. Now let's dive into some specialized keyword generation and analysis tools. These are often focused specifically on generating keyword ideas or analyzing particular aspects of keywords. Keyword Everywhere is a really popular browser extension for Chrome and Firefox. It displays keyword data like volume, CPC, and competition directly on search engine results pages and other websites. Just a heads up, it does require purchasing credits, like $10 gets you 100,000 credits, which is a pretty good deal. Seed Keywords is kind of a unique tool. It lets you ask your network or audience how they would search for something, which helps you generate authentic seed keyword ideas straight from real people. CCockpit is geared more towards professional SEOs. It focuses on finding profitable, low-competition keywords, and has some pretty advanced filtering options. Keyword Shitter, yeah, that's the name, is a simple, free tool that generates a massive list of Google autocomplete suggestions based on a seed keyword. It's super useful for brainstorming broad topic ideas. WordTracker is one of the older keyword research tools out there. It offers keyword suggestions and market analysis, and it stood the test of time. WordStream offers free keyword tools alongside its paid advertising management solutions, which is nice if you want to test the waters before committing. Souvlé is a free tool that aggregates suggestions from multiple sources like Google, YouTube, Amazon, Wikipedia, and more, all in one visual interface. LSI Graph focuses on finding latent semantic indexing, or LSI, keywords. These are terms semantically related to your main keyword, which helps search engines better understand the context of your content. Keyword Tool Dominator provides keyword suggestions from various platforms like Google, YouTube, Amazon, Bing, and eBay. Keyword.io is a free tool that's especially popular among YouTubers for finding keyword suggestions across Google, YouTube, Amazon, Bing, and more. Keywordfinder.io focuses on finding long-tail keywords with low SEO difficulty, which can be a real game-changer for newer sites. Keywordtool.io is a freemium tool that generates long-tail keyword suggestions from Google Autocomplete for various platforms and countries. Searchvolume.io is specifically for checking the search volume of keywords, which is super handy when you want to prioritize your list. HSuperTools offers a collection of free SEO and digital marketing tools, including a keyword research tool that's pretty user-friendly. Higher Visibility Bulk. Keyword Generator is designed to generate keyword variations in bulk based on your industry and location, which saves a ton of time. Longtail Pro is specifically designed to help users find low-competition, long-tail keywords. And finally, Jaxi is positioned as a keyword research tool for affiliate marketers, making it a solid choice if that's your niche. So, as you can see, there's a huge range of options out there, whether you want a simple brainstorming tool or a full-featured analysis platform. Understanding the questions your audience asks is honestly crucial for content creation. Tools like Answer the Public visualize questions. Think who, what, where, when, why, and how, along with prepositions, comparisons, and even alphabetical suggestions, all related to a seed keyword. It does offer limited free searches each day though. Then there's QuestionDB, which scans online forums like Reddit to find questions related to your keywords. Also Asked is another handy tool that maps out the people. Also ask questions from Google search results, showing you how different questions are related. Quora is a really popular Q&A platform, where you can search for your topics to find what people are actively asking, see the language they use, and spot common pain points. On Reddit, you can explore relevant subreddits, those are communities, to see discussions, questions, and topics that matter in your niche. BuzzSumo lets you analyze what content performs best for any topic or competitor, helping you identify popular themes and headlines, which can indirectly inform your keyword strategy. And finally, there's Storybase, which is a paid tool focused on understanding consumer questions and interests to drive your content strategy. Extensions can integrate keyword data directly into your browsing experience, making things a lot more convenient. SEO Quake is a free extension from SEMrush that provides key SEO metrics including keyword difficulty for any web page right in your browser and search results. FatRank is a Chrome extension that lets you check your website's ranking for specific keywords in Google. What's MySERP, or WMS Everywhere, is another extension that shows search volume and related keywords directly in your search results. And Mozbar provides metrics like domain authority, page authority, and more. Sometimes you need keywords for platforms other than Google. Bing Webmaster Tools is Bing's version of Google Search Console, giving you insights into how your site performs on Bing, along with keyword data specific to that search engine. White SEO Tools is a collection of tools designed specifically for YouTube, SEO, and keyword research. There's also the Pinterest Keyword Tool, which you can access via KeySearch to research keywords specifically for Pinterest. And Merchant Word specializes in keyword research for Amazon sellers, analyzing the terms that shoppers actually use on the platform. Keyword ideas can honestly come from so many different sources beyond just the usual dedicated tools. For example, on Amazon, you can browse through product categories, check out product titles, descriptions, customer quandas, and reviews to find relevant commercial keywords and see the actual language users are using. Wikipedia is also excellent for understanding how topics are structured. The table of contents and all those linked pages can give you related concepts and terminology, which can turn into potential keywords. YouTube is another great spot. Try searching for topics in your niche, then analyze video titles, descriptions, tags, and especially the comment sections for user questions and the language people use. And if you look at viral videos, you can sometimes spot trending topics, which is super helpful. Don't forget about online marketplaces like Fiverr and Udemy. On Fiverr, looking at service descriptions gives you insight into how professionals describe their offerings. On Udemy, course titles and curricula show you how educators frame topics and what keywords they focus on. Niche forums and online communities are really valuable too. When you participate in or just monitor forums related to your industry, you'll see discussions that reveal pain points, common questions, and the exact terminology your audience uses. Social media groups like those on Facebook or LinkedIn work in a similar way. They're gold mines for understanding what your audience needs and how they talk about it within your specific niche. Also, don't overlook blog comments and questions. Reading the comment sections of popular blogs can uncover follow-up questions and discussions that spark fresh keyword ideas. And of course, competitor websites are key. Analyze the keywords your competitors are targeting in their page titles, headings, content, and meta descriptions. There are tools like Ahrefs or SEMrush that really excel at this kind of research. You can also browse SlideShare presentations on your topics to find keywords and see common structures. And if you want to expand your scope, use similar site search tools to discover websites similar to yours or your competitors. Finally, Google Scholar is a great resource. Search for research papers and academic articles in your field to uncover niche terminology and advanced topics. Don't forget about, traditional methods and ways to organize your findings. For example, printed books. Take a look at the table of contents and index of relevant books for topic structure and keyword ideas, and with Amazon Kindle ebooks, you can copy the table of contents from relevant Kindle books to spot seed keywords and topic clusters. Surveys are another great option. Just directly ask your audience or potential customers about their challenges and how they search for solutions. Plus, tools like Evernote or GetPocket are super handy. Use note-taking or read-it-later apps to save interesting articles, ideas, and potential keywords you come across. And don't forget about email newsletters. Subscribing to industry newsletters often highlights trending topics and keywords. These tools assist indirectly with keyword research and content creation. Thesaurus, Power Thesaurus, and a good old dictionary help you find synonyms and related terms, which can really broaden your keyword list and help you avoid repetition. Super helpful for LSI. There's also Ludwig and Guru, which is a writing platform that helps you find sentences using specific words, aiding in understanding context and usage. Metaglossary is useful for looking up definitions of technical terms, and the Headline Analyzer from CoSchedule, while not technically a keyword tool, helps you optimize headlines, which often include keywords, for better click-through rates. TagCrowd lets you create word clouds from text so you can visualize frequently used terms. Screaming Frog SEO Spider is primarily a website crawler for technical SEO audits, but it can extract page titles, headings, and meta descriptions, which helps analyze keyword usage across a site. SiteLiner scans websites for duplicate content, broken links, and related pages, which can indirectly inform your content and keyword strategy. And finally, Feedly is an RSS reader that lets you aggregate content from blogs and news sites in your niche, so you can keep updated on relevant topics and keywords. Always perform manual Google searches for keyword ideas in an incognito window if you're using Chrome, or a private window if you're on Firefox or Safari. This prevents Google from, tailoring results based on your personal search history, your location sometimes, and whether you're logged in, so you get a more objective view of the search results page, or SERP. Keyword research is honestly a continuous process, not just a one-time task. The digital landscape, search engine algorithms, and user behavior are always evolving. By using a combination of the tools and techniques outlined above, from comprehensive SEO suites like Ahrefs and SEMrush, to free resources like Google Search Console, and even niche tools like Answer the Public, you can gain some deep insights into your audience's search behavior. This understanding is really the key to creating effective content, optimizing your online presence, and ultimately achieving success online. So choose the tools and methods that best fit your budget, your niche, and your goals, and start uncovering the keywords that will connect you with your audience.